Hello guys, welcome to my nail channel. In this video we are going to unbox a nail primer. This nail primer I have ordered from Amazon for 290 rupees. So guys, this is a nail primer. This is an Amy gel nail primer. It is used to create an adhesion between nail plate and a product, whether it may be acrylic or gel. Here they have said directions: apply one layer directly on the nails and let the liquid layer evaporate. So this primer helps to create an adhesion between nail plate and your product, whether it is gel or an acrylic. So let's apply it. I am applying on my nail plate. So as you can see, it is quickly getting evaporate. It does not create any sticky layer. So I hope you like this video. If you do, then please share and subscribe. Also comment below. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.